E.G. Scary here, unboxing stuff I bought on Amazon. Let's check it out. I know that there are two masks in here. So, here is the first one. And I'm going to do two separate videos. So this is the Creepy Scary Zombie Mask Walk. And I believe the walk is by The Walking Dead. And right through the package, it looks like this is either a slit on purpose, we'll find out, for the eye, or if it's damaged because they send these things folded up. So, it feels much thinner than a lot of the other masks. Alright, so that's a very strange eye hole. It's actually a bad cut. And it is a thinner latex. Has a slit in the back. And you can see the eye holes and whatnot through here. So let's try this bad boy on and see. Overall, this one I think was a $20 mask, and it looked way better in the picture. That's for sure. But let's see how it looks when it's on. Okay, so here it is. This mask, for whatever reason, when you try to line up the eye holes up here, you can't see, so it must be the intention is that you're walking straight on. I'm looking at you through the nostrils. It's very difficult to breathe, and I couldn't even imagine having to perform in this because you cannot see anything. If I try to put where my eyes are now, it rides upwards. So, right now I'm blind, but just to give you an idea, you can probably see the slit back here. Overall, I think it looks good when you're wearing it, but it's a pain in the ass that you cannot see anything except for through the nostrils unless you're holding it down. And realistically, if you were to cut these bigger, it's going to take away from the mask. So, the nice thing with this is it does come down pretty low, and I don't know if I'm watching out of frame or not because I cannot see you, but you get the idea. Like, share, subscribe, E.G. Scary. Give it a big thumbs up. Thumbs up. Do it now! I'm being your nightmares.